Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's crazy. There's only 2 Hondas in here. Yeah. So far. Well, yours is coming, I guess. No. Look how this fool always sitting down, being lazy, always on his phone. These damn millennial. Oh no, Gen Zs, dude.
I'm in a food coma.
Got a new belt. Got a new idler pulley. Gotta fix her up now. Where's it? The camera's tripping out, dude. Wow, dude. Thanks for the help, guys. There's the old piece again. Oh, where's the belt? Where'd the belt go? Hold on, let me find it. Take me out. There it is. The old belt. So I don't know what happened. I'm assuming it broke because when the coolant and power steering leaked, it leaked all over it, made it slip. I don't know. For some reason I was like, maybe I had it wrong.
This one's clean as well.
But not, oh yeah, that's clean. But yeah, that is the old part. It got crusty. I don't know why it's plastic, but yeah, that got chewed up from the belt, or chewed up the belt. Here's a new belt. Here's a new OEM tensioner. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it is now. So I'm probably gonna fix this hose too. So I have tape on it because it's rubbing the valve cover. So I'm gonna take it off, cut it, shorten it. I don't know if it's like that because of the CSF radiator, but it shouldn't be rubbing the valve cover, so we'll fix that too. And then we're going to track. When are we going to track again? Next
Saturday.
Next Saturday.
My car's broken too.
Oh, his car's broken too. We have to fix his car. So we'll get to that too. Should have bought it today, bro. We could have fixed it today, dude. Oh, it's too bad. There you go. It's all done. Ready to go. New belt, new pulley, fresh coolant. I fixed a little upper hose. It was rubbing on the valve cover. There you go. Ready for another track day, hopefully. Hopefully nothing else happens. Maybe I'll bring an extra belt and pulley this time or something, but it shouldn't be doing that. I feel like it was probably the coolant, the oil getting on it, made it slip and chewed it up. Well, we'll see. Go Bun Willow in 2 weeks. My E92 is done. Now let's get ready to replace the rod bearing. Oh, sorry, not the rod bearings. Throttle actuators on my buddy RG's E90 M3. So he did throw a check engine light for it. Car goes in limp mode here and there. For the throttle actuators, so it's time to replace them with some brand new ones. And get this car back on the road. Should be a quick, easy fix. Throttle actuators are all out. Time to get the new ones ready to be put in. These are the original ones. They didn't look like they were replaced because all the bolts were still clean. Looked like nothing was on them before. But we were replacing both. Let me tell you guys something real quick. See this part number right here? So these are OEM BMW, correct? But actually Continental makes them for BMW. So if you guys want to save a buck, just order the actual Continental ones. Same part number here as here. Check it out. They just put that sticker right there. That's the only difference. Same exact part. So we are replacing them with these new Continental ones. And that should fix the problem. Throttle actuator is all done. He's all ready to be driven again. Man, this one looks good on the 88s. I need them. I want them. Those are the ones that are actually on my car. It's a buddy's car. He let me rock them. So they were never mine. But been bugging him to sell them to me. So, but yeah, let's start it up. Too early for this. Headed to Sunday Steele. First one of the year. And the first one of them coming back. Just taking the car dirty from the track. Straight from the track to a meet. Oh my. We have to hike up. It's a little hike up to Oakley AS to the main lot. It's cracking. I'm tired. Are we not? Oh, we're not. It still goes. What the heck? What the hell is this?
They sending me.
We made it. It's packed. Hey, you're not Chris.
You like my new car?
Where's Chris, dude?
Well, we left him at home.
Oh yeah? Where's he at? Oh, there he is. You guys heading out?
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you later. Hi, bye. There's a line behind you. Bye. See you later.
You guys later.
What time did you get here? Like 7?
7:20.
Oh my God.
Got here perfect, like.
Oh really? I parked on the street down there.
That's crazy, right?
Yeah. Okay. Bye. How's it going, man? What's up? You go with Dodge? She's friendly. Don't know that.
She's good.
Yeah, that's it. Here it is, man. Congratulations. Yeah. Did you get a ride? Did you Uber here?
No, I got it right.
Oh, okay. I didn't see you in the back. Yeah, here it is, dude. Yeah. Wait, so how'd you join again? Because you don't have an Instagram, right?
No, I was watching a video of you. I was watching other videos and then somehow it got recommended to you.
On YouTube?
On YouTube.
Oh, that's funny.
And then I heard this car was on raffle. And I went on your site. I used to follow you before when I had IG.
Oh, okay.
I lost it,
Yeah.
and then I just never decided to get it back.
Oh, okay.
But yeah. So, it's good.
Yeah, that's funny. I know, because I was like, oh, what's your IG name? Oh, man, I can't do it. But yeah, dude, here it is. I don't know if you know too much about this car. It has like some history. But the guy who built the car, like previously,
Yeah.
was the original owner, I think. He bought it brand new in like 96 or something. And he built it. This car used to have a GSR turbo on it. But then he sold it as a shell to his friend that put it all back together, put an LSD in it. Or it's B10, I don't know. But yeah, all the suspension's new, everything's all clean and redone and stuff. It's a really good car. Yeah. What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. I was wondering like a weekend car.
Okay. Yeah, a little fun weekend. Yeah. Oh yeah, B20 VTEC, B16 trans. Yeah.
It is drivable, right?
Yeah, drives great, registered, everything like that. Perfect.
Go out that driveway. Get down that driveway pretty soon. All right, man. All right. Good job.